In this video, I want to talk about the latest addition, one of the latest additions to Excel. So if we go to the Data tab, and let's suppose that we're interested in, or we have some data pertaining to particular states. So for example, Alabama and Alaska. What you can do with your data, once it's in Excel, you can go to the Data tab. And then here we have various data types. So here we have organization, stocks, currencies, and geography. So I'm going to just highlight column A. So you just do that with the downward bold arrow, or we can just highlight it manually. But either way, highlight your data, click geography, and then you'll see that there's some additional things that have been added right beside, some figures have been added besides the data. So now we can insert further data. So for example, if I want Alabama's abbreviation, I can do that there. So we can see it's in the United States and then its abbreviation is AL. I can hover at the bottom right of the box to get the black cross and drag it down, and you can see that I can copy the data there. I can add more variables. So for example, if I want something like building permits, we can see the number of those there, et cetera, et cetera. We're talking about stocks, for example. So let's suppose we have 3M and Home Depot, just as an example. You can highlight these two stocks, their tickers, make them stocks. And now it converts it to the company name as well as the stock exchange and what the ticker is. But I can go in and add and look and see what their 52-week high price was. You can see all the different things here, all the way down to when it was incorporated. But for here, I'll just do beta as an example. So you can see 3M's beta is 0.96 and Home Depot's is 0.93. We can also do this for currencies. So let's say, for example, the US dollar and euro. So if this works, I'll highlight the data and go to currencies. So it couldn't figure out what it is, but over here now it's giving me data selector. So I could perhaps pick some. So let's see if we can do some more results. Doesn't seem like this one is doing as well as the other data, which this is being constantly updated. Let's see, just to do the example, let's do the US state dollar, the US dollar forex trading. So I select it, and then it's also going to want me to do that for the euro. So we can even do various spot rates and things here. So maybe for this one, we could do like the euro US dollar FX spot rate. So I'll select it. And then now beside this, I can add other variables. So like here, everything from change to the returns. Maybe I want the year-to-date return. I can drag that down, and it doesn't have it for this one because it's probably pulling data otherwise. But you can see all of that there. So that it gives me different kinds of data based on that. But maybe I could do like the 52-week low as an example. So, and yeah, so because these two things are defined, the fields are various, but you kind of get the point here. And obviously the disclaimer that the Excel and Microsoft are pointing out is that the financial market information is provided as is and is not professional or trading purpose or advice. But if you're just trying to pull some data, and you can always fact check it, can help you get the majority of your work done. And you can always, like I said, go back and fact check and see what's going on. So thanks for watching. Appreciate it if you like the video so we can get this out to more people. And if you like my videos, you can also subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications. I try to post videos every week or two. Thanks for watching.